Let's explore how to write a resume summary that grabs attention. Hello and welcome. I am Mark from Mentivia. Today we're diving into one of the most impactful sections of your resume, the summary or value statement. This isn't just a formality, it's your personal billboard designed to grab attention and quickly communicate your professional brand. A summary is often the very first thing a recruiter sees, and in a competitive job market, you only get a few seconds to make that vital first impression. So, why is this section so important? Well, for two main reasons. Firstly, Applicant Tracking Systems, or ATS, scan your resume for keywords. A well-written summary, packed with relevant terms, significantly increases your chances of passing these digital gatekeepers. Secondly, if it makes it past the ATS, a human recruiter will spend mere seconds on their initial scan. Your summary needs to immediately convey your value and pique their interest to read further. It's your opportunity to tell your career story concisely and powerfully. The goal for your summary is to be a powerful 2 to 3 line statement. This isn't a place for lengthy paragraphs, it's about precision and impact. It should act as a snapshot of your professional identity, highlighting your most relevant experience and skills, and, crucially, the value you bring. Think of it as the trailer to your professional movie. It needs to be engaging enough for them to want to watch the whole thing. Let's break down the template for crafting this impactful summary. The first component is your professional identity. Start by clearly stating your professional title and how many years of experience you have. Then, mention your primary industry or a couple of key skills that define your expertise. For example, results-driven marketing manager with 8+ years of experience in digital marketing and brand strategy. This immediately positions you and sets the stage for what's to come. Next, we move to your core strengths. This is where you highlight 1 to 2 specific high-impact skills or areas of expertise that are most relevant to the roles you are targeting. Use strong action verbs to convey your capabilities. For instance, if you're a project manager, you might highlight proven ability to lead complex projects and manage cross-functional teams. These are the abilities that make you stand out. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, conclude with your delivered value or result. This is where you demonstrate your tangible impact. Detail a measurable outcome or a significant result you've achieved. Quantify it with numbers, percentages, or monetary values whenever possible. For example, proven ability to develop and execute successful campaigns that increased online engagement by 40 and boosted sales by 28. This shows not just what you did, but the positive impact you had. So let's put it all together. Imagine you're a marketing manager. Your summary could look something like this. Results-driven marketing manager with 8+ years of experience in digital marketing and brand strategy. Proven ability to develop and execute successful campaigns that increased online engagement by 40 and boosted sales by 20 for key clients. See how it quickly tells a compelling story, highlighting the title, experience, skills, and crucially, the measurable results? Remember, your resume summary is your opportunity to make a strong, immediate impression. By following this template, focusing on your professional identity, core strengths, and quantifiable achievements, you'll create a summary that not only passes ATS but also captures the recruiter's eye. Tailor it for each application, and let your value shine through in those crucial first few lines. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning with us, make sure to click the subscribe button. It's the best way to stay updated with new content. For even more free educational resources, including e-learnings, videos, and articles, visit mentivia.com. It's your one-stop destination for exploring science, history, and much more.